Honorable Ngirici Ngirici, the first petitioner. And today we came to this court for pre-trial so that we can take directions of the hearing of the petition. But we have informed the court that we'll be making an application to withdraw the petition in accordance with the instructions given to us by our client, the Honorable Ngirici Ngirici. So within the provisions of Rule 21 of the election rules, once a petition is filed, it cannot be withdrawn without leave of the court. So you first seek to get leave of the court before you are allowed to withdraw a petition. So the court has given us time to file that application, 7 days, to file the application and serve upon the respondents. Then the respondents will respond to the application, and we come back to court on the 24th of this month so that we can take directions on the hearing of the application. So ultimately, after the hearing of the application, the court will make a decision to make a ruling whether to allow the application for withdrawal of the petition or not.
Cira petition ya filed against the governor umuthi kuma muthenya wa igoti ribange uria maundu maya magutwarithio na mbere. No wakiri wa mundu waigite cira uyu ni uga ati ni aheo instructions ni andu aria mamuhete cira ucio a withdraw petition amieherie na twakiuga ni wega uguo tondu kungikika uguo andu akirinyaga no mathie na mbere na wira uria munene muno thirikari iyo inaguo itagukorwo distracted na cira. Koguo ni makiheo thiku iria makihe watho ugaga maheo thiku 7 nigetha mafaira application ya ku withdraw